Welcome back to Washington Semi-Hard Enduro. Today we're riding some trails out here in the rainforest, and at the end of this trail there's a rock slab or rock face type of obstacle, and I've never done it before, but the guys I'm riding with have, and so they were giving me some pointers on what to do, what not to do. Really, the worst thing about these kinds of things is the anticipation. These guys have been talking it up, saying it's 20 feet tall and it's, super high consequences if you screw it up, that sort of thing. And, when you get there, you definitely get a little psyched out. It's not so bad of an obstacle. It's not what I would call hard enduro. It's definitely more semi-hard enduro. But, if you mess it up, if you screw it up, you are going to end up down in this crevice with the bike on top of you, and it definitely wouldn't be good. So there's definitely some consequences if you mess it up. And like with most things, the GoPro flattens it out quite a bit. So it doesn't look so intimidating in the video, but in person, definitely makes you think about it a little bit. So you guys are going to see it toward the end of this video here. Hopefully the pictures help you get an idea of this scale. Again, not super complicated, but one of those things that makes you stop and, ponder your life's decisions before you attempt it. A little bit of a mud pit. I got the blood pumping. Is this the rock?
Yep. Welcome to the rock.
Oh shit.
You done this before?
Nope, never have.
Look, you can see the rod. Basically you stick to the far left.
Oh really?
Carry speed.
Right.
Yeah, the right there's like a crevice you get stuck in.
Okay. First or second? Second gear?
I've been doing it in first, but I'm slow and not very good. Second gear.
Second gear.
Second gear.
To the left.
All right. Nope, nope, not enough speed. Don't. Okay, now I've seen what not to do. I like going last.
I know, right? The line was good. You gotta kind of
Triple the speed.
Yeah, I did it the first time. I pulled it off. The second time I didn't.
It's tough to just get the balls to get the speed you need, because you need it. Whoa. Okay.
Yeah!